Alright, so I put up on the Facebook page when we got this guy, and I said we weren't going to do the box art. We did a little something different, and here's what we did. This is the Porsche Pink Pig. We went with like a salmon kind of color, and as you can see, you got all the cuts of the pig around the entire car. This is the Team Associated 4x4 rally car, which they don't say it's a Porsche 959 body, but we all know it's a Porsche 959 body. Please do not pet. Kept the stock wheels that came with the AE rally car. Here's all the different decals that we had to put on here, which was very time consuming. But this is how it came out. We used some of the AE decals that came with the car, but mostly we got all these Pink Pig decals from MCI. And we're real happy with the way it came out. The paint we had to get special from somewhere, and we're not too happy with the way it is on the inside. We may have to do something to make it a little stronger. Either that or we may order another body from Associated and do another one with a different kind of paint. We're not sure yet, but this is it. More on this bad boy to come.